guys, I'm on a boat right now. We just did a big day trip through Verano, a few other places. So we're heading back to mainland, main island, Venice. So as you can see, it's a beautiful day. It's nice, sunny, with a bit of a breeze. But Verano was great. We saw a glass blowing demonstration. Went to see a beautiful church there. Verano, famous for lace and the colored houses. And we had a very nice dinner there. What was the place called?
No idea.
We have no idea. We think that's what it was called. And Izzy's here with me. Say hi, Izzy. And other friends here. Ryan. Say hi. Alright, well, we'll talk to you guys later. Ciao.